Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yes, very important concept today onwards again. Now here. Up to now, correlated subquery execution you are familiar, but unfortunately in a correlated subquery, regularly used operator is exist operator. In a non-correlated also exist operator is there. Don't worry, I will tell you next that one also. But first observe here. Exist operator, EXISTS operator, exist operator. Write it side heading, exist operator, right? Most powerful in versus exist is so many interviewer asking how means once you are good at what today exist operator, then in versus exist diagrammatically I am telling, then you are understandable. First observe it here. Actually, screen observe it. This exist operator is a special, totally different operator actually compared to any other operators in any database. Not only Oracle, every database, this operator is there. But this exist operator always returns a what? A Boolean value, either true or which one? False. And also this exist operator understandable means compulsory correlated subquery execution knowledge is required in a correlated subquery side. Why they are using, what is that one, those all the things we are learning. First write it some theory. Put a star, very important, exist operator, write it. Exist operator, some theory write it, then practical abstract. Exist operator, EXISTS, yes is there, okay. Exist operator always returns Boolean value, either true or false. Either true or false. In all relational databases, write it fast. In all relational databases, we can also use exist operator in correlated subqueries. We can also, I'm telling, okay, we can also use in all relational databases, we can also use exist operator in correlated subqueries. Actually, exist operator query is there today you are writing, but unfortunately, same query we are writing non-correlated in operator also working. But why exist operator they are using in place of some special cases in place of in operator means I will tell you exist operator performance is very high, highest performance compared to where in operator. In all the cases, no. There's one special case is there, how and when the situation, all the things we are learning. Okay, write it. Generally, write it. Generally, exist operator performance is very high compared to in operator. In this operator is that in operator compared to in operator. Now screen observe it. Actually, where we are using in a where exist operator in a where in a real-time project side, here select statement is there, no? That is parent query is there, no? In a parent query where condition only regularly we are using a what? Exist operator. That's why here exist operator always we are using in a where clause of the where. Okay, parent query only exist operator we are using. Okay, yes, here. Now write it some theory next. Continuation, write it. Generally exist operator is used in where condition of the parent query. where condition of the parent query, where condition of the parent query. Where condition of the parent query. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Slowly concentrate here. Actually, exist operator I am also you are also using. That operator wherever we are using means be careful. Some rules you have to follow. Generally, suppose normally operators you have an idea up to non-correlated and recently correlated some subqueries we are learning. In that case, I am telling after where clause some operators we are using either is equal to, either less than, either greater than, either in, either anything also. So now we are using operators. But before operator you are observing or not, some column name we are using. Salary is equal to. So now here, yes, department number is equal to. Like this only we are writing about some column name we are using. But unfortunately, exist operator means not like that. Whenever we are using a what, a normal operator, relational operators and special operators, compulsory we are using a what, column name here along with the relational operator or special operator. But unfortunately, whenever we are using a what, exist operator in a where clause, don't try to use in a column name. We are not allowed to use in a column name. That is keep it in mind. Very important. Where exists, where not exists, we are using only. That's why in all relational databases, whenever we are using exist operator, then we are not allowed to use column name along with exist operator within where condition of the parent query. Impossible. Because this is special. This is totally different only. How different all the things I will tell you. Okay, now that's why in a where clause, don't write it in a column name. Column name you are using is it won't work. Write it next pair. Next pair, write it. In all relational databases, whenever we are using exist operator, whenever we are using exist operator, then we are not allowed to use, column name along with exist operator, within where condition of the parent query. Within where condition of the parent query. Okay, na? Correlated subquery side syntax I will tell you. Okay, what the syntax means? Observe it here, concentrate here. Theory finished. 1 minute only. Select here star or column from table name. But correlated subquery means alias name compulsory or not? Yes, here alias name only. And now here where here exists is an operator they are giving. Don't use is equal to, less than, like this only. This is operator, that's all. Parenthesis. But column name is not there. Here select star or column. So from table name. Here either same table or different table. Where in a child query table alias name not required. Yes, here where column name. Any operator actually either is equal to, either less than, either greater than, either anything. But is equal to, just idea purpose only they are giving a syntax. Alias name dot here column name. Same like a correlated subquery syntax. No. Here we are creating a what, a table alias name. That alias name we are using in a where clause somewhere, either less than, either greater than, anything. Write it. This syntax write it. But after where clause exists before, don't use any column name. Okay, yeah. Write it, this syntax. Every database same. But in versus exist, those all the things I will tell you. That is most powerful. Here, right. Completed. Finished. Now up to this one, normal theory in a books we are referring also, it will be there. But unfortunately, in a real-time project side, where we are using a exist operator, there is a question mark. Where? Which situation we are using a exist operator means one special case is there, most powerful. In that case, nobody using another concept only. Only correlated subquery exist operator only they are using. What is that concept means? Observe it here, concentrate, very important. Actually, related tables are there in a project side. Related means some primary key form tables are there. Yeah, related tables are there. In that case, one table, observe it here. I want to test if one table column values are available or not available in another table, then only correlated subquery exist operator only they are using. If you want to test one table column values are available or are unavailable in another table, another related table, then we must use correlated subquery exist or non-exist operators. Nobody using in this case a non-correlated in operator. That is also working also. That is performance is very low. Why performance very low? Interviewer asking. What is the reason behind that one? Interviewer asking. That is a concept we are learning next only. That's why in a project side where the situation generally, yes, in every relational database also, I want to test, you want to test one table column values are available in another related table, then we must use correlated subquery exist operator. But in that case only correlated subquery exist operator performance is very high compared to where non-correlated subquery in operator. Why means reasons also I will tell you, don't worry. Reasons are there next after writing the queries, you are understandable. That is important. Write it. Next para. Sorry, write a note, write it. Write a note. Write a note. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, if you want to test, if you want to test one table column values, one table column values are available in another related table, then we must use correlated subquery exists operator. Correlated subquery exists operator. In all relational databases, if you want to test one table column values are available in another related table, then we must use correlated subquery exists operator. Okay, now up to this one, any books we are referring also, any net you are referring also, this will be there. But unfortunately, anybody asking about exist and in operator in a future, next only we are learning, maybe time is there today or tomorrow, we are learning only that diagrammatically all the things you are telling, okay. But unfortunately, what is the problem? Whenever anybody asking about what is exist operator means, so many fellows are failure in interview. Why means what they are telling means in a bookish knowledge only. These all the things they are telling. Exist operator returns a boolean value true or false. Exist operator are used in generally most of the time in a correlated subquery in a where clause only. In that case, always now here yes. So now here alias name we are creating and use that alias name in a child query, and also Whenever we are using exist operator, don't try to use a column name along with the exist operator in a where clause. Those all the things so many fellows are telling. And also, yeah, where we are using a exist operator means one table column values are available or not available in another related table, means generally we are using exist operator. In that case, correlated subquery exist operator performance very high compared to where non-correlated subquery in operator. Okay, so now they are telling, but in true you are never satisfied, because these are all the things everyone knows. Once we are starting a practically means these type of things and differences, all the things you are familiar. That's why you are a good professional means first you are telling about other persons not telling about that concept, you are only telling. That is why, because always EF code is a relational father of the relational data model products. Yes, he is only designing exist operator mathematics wise. That is, you are telling me you are a good professional. Why? Because today execution side, at least query execution side, that knowledge is helpful. That's why anybody asking exist operator, not only these all the things, this is important. What is that one means? Mathematics. Anybody having a set theory? Yes. What they are telling about EF code only, exist operator, don't write it. Exist operator is used to testing whether given set is empty or non-empty. Simple. Set theory, you have an idea? No? Now here, actually suppose this is a non-empty set 1, 2, 3, anything, test the data is there. Okay, fine. A, B, C, anything. Set theory is then mathematics. Exist operator is used to test whether given set is empty or non-empty. Whenever this is a non-empty set, then it will be written as what? True. Whenever exist operator on empty set returns a what? False. This is a key concept actually. Why you must familiar this concept means this set means actually child query only. And now here query. How and what is that query, how it will be testing, those things I will tell you. Here, whatever exist operator there, here this is a query. This is a child query only. This query returns a values. This query sometimes empty set. Then exist operator as a boolean value true. Here exist operator as a boolean value false. Whenever where condition false, that candidate row return into result. That execution you must familiar. Already previous classes correlated subcore execution is there. That one and this okay mathematical construction idea. You never mistaken execution of the query. There only in versus exist operator internal concept I will tell. Okay, na? Yes, that is important. That's why always mathematics wise we are learning first exist operator. So boolean value either true or false. Exist operator is used to test whether given set is empty or non-empty. In that case, set means what? Child query. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Exist operator on non-empty set returns a what? True. Whereas exist operator on empty set returns a what? False. That is I want. First write it. Then queries we are starting. First theory write it. Next para. Exist operator returns boolean value. Exist operator returns boolean value either true or false. Exist operator returns boolean value either true or false. Exist operator returns boolean value either true or false. Exist operator is used to test whether a given set is empty or non-empty. Whether a given set is empty or non-empty. Exist operator on non-empty set. Exist operator on non-empty set. Returns true. Whereas exists operator on empty set, exist operator on empty set returns false. Whereas exist operator on empty set returns false. Okay, example, write it. Example. First one, exists of here 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Here a number of values. That is a non-empty set. No? Here true. Every database same mathematics. This one. Okay. Exist operator on empty set returns false. This is a default nature of the where exist operator. Why improve performance means that is next. That is important, but before that one like this one, write it. Exists operator. Example, write it. Exist of 1, 2, 3, 4 anything A, B, C, D. Exist operator on non-empty set. Non-empty set returns true. Exist operator on empty set returns false. Okay, now you are starting a queries. Through the queries, executions and inverses exist, all the things I will tell you. Suppose in a Scott schema, you have an idea. Related tables, Oracle Corporation giving EMP and DEPT tables. Already have an idea. Now check it out. This is select star from EMP like this. Here select the star from DEPT like this. These are related table. Already have an idea. In EMP table, department number is a foreign key. DEPT table, department number is a primary key. That's why this is related. Okay, fine. Now check it out. What is my query means? Observe it here. Suppose I want to, this query is available in any books also. Observe it here. This is a beautiful query. I want to display those departments, not employees, departments. Suppose 10th department. This 10th is available. 10 is a number is available in a where EMP table or not? Yes. 20 is a department is available in EMP table or not? Yes. 30 other department is available in a EMP table or not? Yes. But 40 is not available. That's why what is my requirement? I want to display those departments from DEPT table. Oh, DEPT table, which departments are available in a EMP table? Those departments I want to display. 10, 20, 30 is available in a where EMP table. That's what 10, 20, 30 I want. 40 I don't want to display. What is the meaning of this one? I want to display those departments from DEPT table, not EMP table, DEPT table, having employees in EMP table by using correlated subquery exist operator. Why this one only we are writing? Why we are not using a in operator with non-correlated? Those differences I will tell you. But first, today practice purpose, this query writing. This is very important. In this case, only regularly using. Write a query. One table values testing about another table. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query. To display those departments write a query to display those departments from DEPT table having employees in EMP table, by using correlated subquery exist operator. Correlated subquery exist operator. First this query write it. Then I am telling a non-correlated in operator. Then what is the difference between these queries? Those all the things, big concept we are learning. First query you are only write it. Maybe you are writing, I think. Query writing is not a difficult, I think. But execution and differences, internal concepts, so many things are next. Enjoy, write it your own way. Hello. Completed? Yes, so many fellows are writing correct. Now here, very good. Now here. This execution, you are only telling me, then differences of in and this one I am telling only. That is my responsibility. Execution, your responsibility, because previous classes you have an idea. Very good. Some fellows are select star from EMP, they are writing no. Select star from DEPT. Why? Because write for it to display those departments. That's why that much of time I am giving. Display those departments from DEPT table. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now here DEPT table, okay na? Yes, here. Now how can I mean substitute here? Display those departments from DEPT table. Department details I want only. Okay, fine. Now here check it out how I am writing what this one means. Now here check it out. Display those departments from DEPT table. This is a DEPT table is there or not? Yes, here. Now how you are writing? Now tell me select. Sorry, now here. Yes, here. Tell me select star from DEPT. But this is correlated subquery they are asking. Correlated subquery means compulsory we must create a what? Alias name in a parent query table. DEPT D or EMPE like this only is there? No? Yeah, D or A or B or anything. Yes, where? Very good. Where? Select star from DEPT D where? After where column, don't use any column name. So many fellows are column name they are using only. No. So now here, yes, here. Syntactically wrong one. No. Yeah, whenever we are using exist operator, we are not allowed to use any column name. That is, you are following the rule or not. Check it out purpose. In a previous case, theory I am telling only some fellows are not lately attending. That's why maybe they doesn't have an idea. Here exist directly. Okay, na? Yes, here. Very slowly I'm telling why because so much of powerful this one later, how much importance you are understandable. And now here, yes, where exists. Very good. Yes. Brackets. Parenthesis, no child query. Okay, na? Child query. Here. Now here select star from here EMP. Another table, no? Yes, EMP. Where? Very good. Common column because they are related table. Related table means department number is there is equal to compulsory. We are using a what? Yes, this alias name. Very good. Alias name D dot DEPT number like this. Okay, na? Yes, here. This is the way. Now I try to execute this one. Copy. And now here 3 department numbers 10, 20, 30 is displayed. Now check it out. Yes, here output also very important. 10, 20, 30. The same query we are writing in a way non-correlated in also there. But that is totally different. This is totally different executions internally. Why? Because internal performance is very high in this query compared to that one. Reasons I will tell you. Yes, not only execution, internal concepts are most powerful. That is what you're asking. But before that one, just we are typing a what is one. Write it very good. So many fellows are writing correct. Anybody not writing means just copy it. Create alias name and those alias names we are using in a where where cause of this one. Okay, yeah. Completed fast. Output also write it 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30. Okay, 40 is not there. Completed. Finished. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Anybody asking what these type of queries means, you are also writing. Okay, that is internal concept. Next only, don't worry. But first, tell me the execution process of this query. Interviewer asking me is don't afraid. That easy. So many fellows or others are writing exist operator is very difficult. They are writing only. Why they are writing? I am not understandable. That easy concept. Why? Because observe it here. This query, anybody asking, tell me the execution process means within fraction of second you are telling. How much easy observe it here? How much easy observe it here? Concentrate here. Now first execution I am telling only, then only difference between in and this query exist operator difference, but diagrammatically so many things I am telling. That is most powerful actually. But before we are going to start, so many fellows are asking a what? Yes, here. Now check it out. Now here, yes, here. Now here. Here execution process they are asking only. Concentrate here. Fast. Observe it here. Whenever any interviewer asking what execution means, yes, how you are telling what correlated subquery execution, already you have an idea. Previous classes, is salary employee, second is salary employee, already I am telling or not. Same execution process, 100% same. And now here, check it out. Suppose whenever they are asking what is the execution process of this query means, simple. Whenever I'm submitting a what this query, and now here first alias name is there, and then alias name used in a child query where condition. That's why this is a correlated subquery or non-correlated subquery. Very good. Correlated subquery is a Oracle server treated as a correlated subquery. Correlated subquery means control passed into where? Okay, so first control goes to where? Which one's a parent query or child query? Very good. Parent query. Parent query means select star from DEPT. Like this only. This parent query is executed first. Parent query executed also. Parent query table. What is the parent query table? DEPT table. DEPT table, yes, it does not goes to where total DEPT table. Yes, always it will get a candidate row from the parent query table. What is the candidate row? First tell me. Yes, here 10 accounting New York is a candidate row. This is the first row. This is called candidate row only. Already have an idea. This is a candidate row. 10 accounting New York is a candidate row. Then control passed into where child query where condition. Child query where condition means D dot department number. D dot department number means candidate row department number. How much? 10 only. Now here 10 like this only. Then 10 is there. Now 10th department is available in a where EMP table or not available? Fast tell me. Yes, here available. Available in a where 10th department is available in EMP table means this is a non-empty set or empty set? Tell me fast. Yes, very good. Non-empty set. Non-empty set on exist operator returns a what? True or false? Very good. True. Whenever where condition is true, then that candidate row written into result. That's why this candidate row written into where? Result only. Here only it will be written. Finished. How much easy? Then again, control goes to where? Second row. What is the second row? Candidate row. Second row is a candidate row. Control passed into where? Second row only. 20 research and Dallas is there. Now this second row. Now again, control goes to where? Second, because child query where condition. Child query where condition. D dot department number. D dot department number means how much? 20. Now 20th department is available in a where EMP table or not available? Fast. Tell me. Yes, here available. Available means there is empty set or non-empty set. Very good. Non-empty set. Non-empty set on exist operator returns a true or false? Very good. True. Where condition returns a true means then only that candidate row written into where result or not? Yes, here. Now 20 operation, but Delos also written into where? Result. Very good. Again, control goes to where? Third row, which one? Candidate row, 30 sales or Chicago only. Now control goes to where? Yes, child query, where condition, D dot department number, how much? Yes, here 30 only. 30th department is available in a where? EMP table or not available? Yes, here now available only. Available means exist empty set or non-empty set. Very good. Empty non-empty set only. Yes, non-empty set on exist operator returns a what? True or false? Very good. True. Where condition returns a true means that candidate row written into where? Result. Already same. Previous classes execution. Okay, very good. And now next another candidate row. What is the another candidate row? 40 operation Boston only. Okay, very good. This one tell me correctly. Now control goes to where? Child query where condition. Child query where condition means D dot department number. D dot department number means how much? Yes, very good. 40 only. Yes, 40th department is available in a EMP table or not available? Not available. Not available means empty set or non-empty set. Very good. Non-empty empty set only. Empty set on exist operator returns a true or false? Very good. False. Whenever we give where condition returns a false means that candidate row rejected. That candidate row does not return into where? Result. How much easy? Within fraction of second only. Anybody sleeping in our class also? Yes, they are telling you what this execution. Very easy or not? That's why in a previous class, entire salary employee, secondary salary, why I am telling me is first correlated subquery execution, exist operator execution interviewer asking. That is, you are telling it correctly means then only they are asking about in versus exist What is the difference? Why we are preferring at this one table column values are checked testing in another table? Those are all the things that is important. At least first fundamental, you don't have an idea is rejected. There is no choice. That's why these are very, very, very important. Very good. All the persons are telling execution correctly. Very good. Now, the same query we are writing today in an in operator. Then only in and exist. What is the difference? Why we are preferring in a real-time project side? This one only exist operator with correlated only. Why they are preferring? Yes, why they are not preferring a non-correlated in operator? Those are all the things I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes. Write it. Write it another query. Another query. Write it. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display those departments. To display those departments. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table. Those departments, same. Those departments having employees in EMP table by using by using non-correlated by using non-correlated subquery in operator. By using non write it fast. This query you are writing, I think. Non-correlated means alias name is not required. Normal query is no where condition, whatever column is there, same column or different column, otherwise group function column, something I am telling you, yeah, those things. Write a query to display those departments from DEPT table having employees in EMP table by using non-correlated subquery in operator. So many fellows are writing, I think. This is alias name is not required because non-correlated, no. Simple. Very good. So many fellows are writing. Correct. And now here, yes, tell me, how can I mean? It's very easy. Now here, check it out. Here, select star from here. DEPT, DEPT. Where? Not exist here. Non-correlated in operator, they are asking. That's why where? Because multiple rows of query, no, that's why the in operator. Department number, where? Column name. In. Very good. Here. Select. But unfortunately, after where clause, whatever column is there, same column, group function column, something is there, no? In a non-correlated subquery, you have an idea. Yes, same column I'm using only. And now here from which one? EMP. Simple. And now here, yes, what is this one? This is the simplest query is there. But why they are not preferring a one table column values are available or not available in testing in a where in a non-correlated, it's a in operator. Why they are not preferring? That is the logic. So now here observe here 10, 20, that same output. In a previous case also same output, this case also same output, but in a real-time project side exist operator only, they are preferring a one table column values are available or not available in a correlated exist operator only they are using. They are not using a what in operator for a. Why? Because reason is there. That's why difference between in and exist. Yes, so where they improve the performance in exist operator, why it is okay, so improve the performance, why in operator less performance, those all the things I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes, here. First, write it this one. This output also write it. Same. Output is same, but the performance is different in every database. Why and all these things means that is a concept. Okay, na? Next side heading, very important. This is most powerful. In versus exists operator. Diagrammatically, I will tell you all the things. Or how exists operator gives more performance than in operator. Put a star, this is most powerful. In versus exist operator, or how exist operator gives more performance than in operator. Okay, now put a star. Okay, these are all the things. Tomorrow I will tell you. That is better. Tomorrow will continue. Another batch will test. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow don't miss the class. This is most powerful concept. Tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow.